We've got this incredible 5-pack of water leak sensors, and picked these up and want to tell you kind of why we did it. We've had at our house now a couple leaks that went on for a little while before we noticed them. And we decided that we're not going to do that again because that gets really expensive. Instead, we wanted to put alarms in any area that might have a potential leak. Just like most water leak detectors or alarms, they have points on the bottom. So there's 4 points on here, 4 contacts that if any 2 contacts come into contact with water, it's going to set it off. It's going to go off. These are very loud. It's 120 decibels, so you're not going to miss the alarm. Very, very loud. That's a fairly standard option, but one of the options we did love that they included is actually on top of here. They have contact points on the top as well. Because what can happen sometimes is if these are sitting down and there's water leaking even just on top of the device, it kind of spreads out as it drips, as it leaks. And so it might take a while of accumulation before it finally goes off. But with these little sensors here on the top, you can position this in such a way under a sink, for instance, that if it starts leaking on here, it's instantly going to go off. It's going to easily detect that leak faster than just those that have the contacts on the bottom. That's one of the many reasons why we picked this up. But the other reason is not only is it loud, not only does it have multiple options, but everything's included. It drives me crazy how many items I buy and how many batteries I have to go out and buy. This comes with the batteries. It comes with all the AAA batteries that you're going to need for all 5 of these. Not only that, it comes with an opening tool. These are waterproof, so they seal very tightly, so they're very hard to get apart. But it comes with 2 opening tools so that, bam, you can quickly and easily open these up to install your batteries. Overall, if you're looking for a good water leak sensor, water leak alarm, water leak detector, whatever you want to call them, check these out. They come in a 5-pack, and I think you're going to love them.